Most people assume the iPad mini has quietly faded into irrelevance, like a product Apple only remembers when it needs to clear out leftover components. That idea couldn't be further from the truth. Behind the scenes, the upcoming iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be one of the boldest experiments Apple has attempted in years. This isn't just another small tablet refresh. It's becoming a testing ground for ideas that feel almost futuristic, pushing boundaries in ways no one expected from the mini line. What's emerging is a device that doesn't just catch up to the rest of the lineup, but in some ways leapfrogs it entirely. The biggest shift starts with the display. Apple is finally moving away from the aging LCD panels and introducing a stunning 8.3-inch OLED screen. That alone changes everything. The difference isn't just technical, it's immediately visible. Blacks become truly black, colors appear richer and more vibrant, and the entire experience feels closer to looking at something printed rather than displayed. For a device this small, that kind of visual upgrade is massive. It elevates the Mini into the same league as Apple's premium devices, making it far more than just a compact option. What's interesting is why Apple is choosing the Mini for this leap instead of more popular models. The answer seems strategic. Because the Mini sells in smaller numbers, it becomes the perfect platform to experiment. Apple can test new OLED manufacturing techniques, refine performance, and gather real-world feedback without risking its highest volume products. For users, that means early access to cutting-edge technology before it spreads across the rest of the lineup. Under the hood, the transformation is just as dramatic. The iPad mini 8 is expected to feature the A19 Pro chip, bringing flagship-level power into a device that fits in one hand. This isn't just about speed for everyday tasks. It's about preparing for a future driven by on-device AI. With more processing happening locally, tasks like video editing, content generation, and smart automation become faster and more private. Instead of relying heavily on cloud processing, the device itself handles complex workloads, making it both powerful and efficient for years to come. But the most surprising change might be the design choice that sounds almost unbelievable at first: the removal of traditional speakers. Instead of visible speaker grills, the entire metal frame is expected to act as a vibration-based audio system. In simple terms, the body of the tablet becomes the speaker. This creates a cleaner design with no openings, improving durability and potentially boosting water resistance. It's a radical shift that could redefine how audio works in compact devices, though it does raise questions about sound quality and how it feels during use. Despite these bold changes, the familiar elements aren't disappearing completely. The overall shape remains sleek and portable, and Touch ID is still expected to be part of the experience. However, thinner bezels and a slimmer body will make the device feel more modern and immersive. Combined with a possible titanium frame, the Mini could become lighter yet stronger, striking a balance between durability and comfort. Performance enhancements extend beyond raw power. With a 120Hz display, issues like jelly scrolling should finally be eliminated, making interactions feel smooth and immediate. Everything from reading to gaming benefits from this responsiveness, giving the impression that the device is reacting instantly to your touch. Camera improvements also play a role in this evolution. Moving the front camera to the landscape edge makes video calls feel more natural, while a higher resolution rear sensor enhances everyday photography and document scanning. These aren't headline features, but they contribute to a more refined overall experience. All of these upgrades come at a cost. The expected starting price is higher than before, reflecting the shift from a simple compact tablet to something closer to a Mini Pro. This creates a clear decision for buyers: stick with older, more affordable models, or invest in a device that represents the future of small-form computing. In the end, the iPad mini 8 isn't just an update. It's a statement. Apple is redefining what a small tablet can be, proving that compact doesn't have to mean compromised. Whether or not every experiment succeeds, one thing is certain: this device is set to spark conversation and push the entire category forward.